Hello guys, today I want to show you this VCELINK Precision Screwdriver Set, and this is 45 in 1. First of all, what you will have inside the box. Inside the box you will have a case with at least like immediately from the case point of view, with one interesting feature. You can press this button and it will be open automatically on the springs, and your bits, your attachment will pop up also automatically. You see, they are going down and they are going up. So inside this case you will have a lot of different bits, and what is good, you will have all of them signed on the side, so you will know exact the size, and obviously you can see the shape and all of that, right? Let me show you closer so you will be able to see the set from the close distance. And take into account a pink color of the set, it could be a really great idea as a gift for upcoming holiday season. So obviously check this out. Now, what we have inside the box. So inside the box we will have 42 different bits, as already mentioned. We have this extension rod if you need to, achieve some place where it's hard to use a screwdriver by itself. We have these tweezers, and we have the screwdriver itself, right? It's very useful and versatile tool. And for example, these bits, they're coming with a magnet, so it cannot fall apart, right? So you can insert it and make sure that it will stay inside. Same, by the way, about this extension rod, so you can insert it and it will be on a magnet, right? So it will not fall apart, and the rod itself also on a magnet, so the full piece will be pretty well made together. Now let's try to use the set and let's do some repairment. For example, I have my knife and I need to disassemble it to be able to clean and maybe replace a spring inside. So for this purpose I have a star type of the screws, so I need to pick a right size, and I have a lot of them. So only for the stars I can see it's up to 12 different, or even more, even 6 by 3, which is 18 different bits. So you will for sure will be able to find a proper one for your side of the screws. In my case I need a T7, and then let's try to remove this handle. And by the way, you have one more function in this case. On the bottom part you can add magnetized options to your bits, so it will attach screws, or you can remove this so they will fall apart, which is very useful. So let me try to remove a handle, and as you may see we have the screws attached to the screwdriver itself. Let's remove the second screw. You see, now I can obviously clear my knife and easily return this handle back using the same screws. Here you go. Very easy and simple. So if you are looking for the very versatile screwdriver set with a lot of different options for your glasses repairs, phone repairs, your computer repairs, laptop, keyboard, anything what you have at home and required precision screwdriver set, obviously check this out.